What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Access Tunes. In this video, I'm going to talk about Halion 7 and why I love this. Halion 7 is a very unique kind of plugin where it is a sampler and it's also a synthesizer. What I mean by that is when I load the Halion, right? So let me just go ahead and add one. Where is it? Yep. As you can see on the home page, there's a couple of things that we can do with this. We have single instrument, multi-instrument, analog synth, wavetable synth, spectral synth, FM synth, sample instrument, grain synth, and organ instrument, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do with this one particular instance of Halion 7. So recently I noticed that I did the whole song with only Halion 7. I didn't add any other plugin, any other virtual instrument that I used to use a lot, like for instance kontakt. I don't use any of them at the moment at the time actually when I was making that song. And I was really shocked and I was like also happy at the same time because I did a very good investment there, right? I understand that there's not a lot of videos out there about Halion 7 when you compare it to kontakt or other virtual instruments. However, I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna make a lot of tutorial the things that you can do with Halion 7, alright? It's phenomenal. So one of the things that I want to show you guys right now today is the ability to sculpt your sound. You can take a sample and then you can completely change the way it sounds and make it sounds really unique, and sometimes you can make it sound dark or sound bright depending on the kind of mood that you're looking for. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and find some sample real quick here. So yeah, let's use this piano sample. Okay, these are all my samples. So these samples are mine actually. I made this sample. I like to create a lot of samples sometimes, so and I'll just store it in my hard drive. And I'm gonna use this sample for now. And I'm gonna go to the spectral synth, right? And I'm gonna drag and drop this sample right here. Okay. So when you load the sample to the spectral synth, what happens is when you play any key on your keyboard, the time stretch and the way they handle the pitch is so high quality. Sounds dope already. So let me just, play it from the lower. Oh my god, that sounds good. Oh yeah. Okay, so this one is in 101 BPM, so I've already changed my project tempo to 101 as well. So now I can record this track to a tempo. So let's build a song right now. I'm just gonna show you guys how you can use Halion to make a beat, right? Okay, that's enough. Okay, alright, so that's kind of cool. I've already quantized this, so okay, it sounds like this, and you can hear that even though the time stretch happened, but it doesn't sound not non-musical, right? Which is the thing that I like with Halion. So I'm gonna go to sample right now. No, I'm gonna go to FX first. Okay, so FX. One thing I like about Halion 7's FX is this. I like to mess around with purity, harmonics, and blurry. Okay, so purity. When I bring it to the left, it sounds like this. I don't know what it does, but it sounds kind of cool. Okay, if I bring this to the right, It sounds cool. You know, it changed the sound completely, and I really like that. And on top of that, if you turn this on, the blur, now it adds some kind of reverb effect. Ooh. You kind of like adding a reverb without adding a reverb. So let's bring the purity back on. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna play that thing that we recorded just now, and I'm gonna just adjust this purity. Let me loop this guy first. So you can actually automate them to make it sound even better. And now with this knob, you can further manipulate the sound. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this up again. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I'm gonna just throw in a drum right now. So let's go ahead and add groove agent, and I'm gonna be using the raw prime cuts. Yeah, boom bap. Yeah, let's just do something with this kit. Nope. I'm gonna add a piano sound, so I wanna go to kontakt. Okay, I know I said that I didn't use kontakt in the last song, but I did needed a piano in that track. But now I need a piano. My most favorite kontakt library is the Grandeur, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a kontakt right now. Let's play some melody right now. Let's find the key first. Okay, I love that, so I'm gonna record that real quick. Or maybe I can just use the retrospective recording. Yeah. You see how quickly the sound inspired me to make a really nice beat just now, right? With just listening to this sample right now from the Halion, okay, I drag and drop this sample, and the sound inspires me to make music right away. So I think that is one of the most important thing when it comes to having a virtual instrument that really inspires you. Halion is one of it. Actually, I can keep talking about this, but I don't want to drag a lot, because lately I noticed that my video is going up to 15 minutes and I don't want to do that. I want to reduce it to less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna cut this video short, and I will be making more content about Halion 7 and all the instruments in Absolute 6, and I'm gonna make sure that people are aware of these great sounding plugin or virtual instruments available in Absolute 6. Right, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.